Fishy friends, welcome here at Bart's Fish Tales. Welcome to Alaska. And I'm standing here in front of Kenai River. And there is Cook Inlet. And it's there where they catch this delicious wild sockeye salmon. It's wild, it's natural, it's sustainable. And it's here where they unload the fish at Pacific Star. And we're going to make a pan-seared sockeye salmon fillet with some butter, capers, lemon and parsley. Let's kick off. This recipe is so quick and so easy to make. And here we have this amazing fillet of sockeye salmon. So this salmon has like two names. They call it like sockeye here locally, but also the Americans would say the red. Well, obviously because of this red color. And it gets this color because this fish eats like these very tiny crustaceans. I'm going to cut off like a small fillet of maybe 200 grams, like 10 ounces, skin on. Okay, frying pan. I've got it on medium to high heat. And then I will add a bit of oil, vegetable oil. Season the fish with some salt. So I will start searing the salmon, skin side down. And to get this crispy skin, you don't want to move the fish. You don't want to have that moisture getting in touch with the skin side of the fish. I pan fry the salmon, skin side down for around 3-4 minutes. Then I turn it around and never turn it back again because you want to keep that crispy skin. Now what I do, I will melt the butter. In France, they would say arroser, which means you scoop the butter over this fish. And what it does, it gives a more crispy skin, but also it will add creaminess. And the fish will infuse the oil, which is great for the sauce. So we got the fish right here. Now I'm going to finish off the sauce. First, finely chop a clove of garlic. Mix this with the butter. Lemon zest, which gives this fresh flavor to the sauce. Make sure it's not going to be too warm. You don't want to burn the garlic. And now it's time to add some juice of half a lemon. Add 2 teaspoons of capers. It's going to be a butter and caper sauce. Give this a good mix. Some pepper. Now I take the pan off the heat, have it here, and then I finely chop a bit of parsley. Mix it with the capers, the butter, the lemon juice, the lemon zest, and now I serve it with the fish. Pan-seared sockeye salmon with the caper and butter sauce. Time for a taste. Crispy skin, fresh sockeye Alaskan salmon. I love it. Bit of the sauce. So good. Freshly caught sockeye salmon here from Cook Inlet. Crispy skin, and then we have the creamy sauce with it. The capers, bit of sourness of the lemon. It goes really, really well. And it's so quick and so easy to make. You really should give this a try. Well, if you have any questions, any comments, please leave them in the box below. And I hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday.